And so in this video, I will introduce the push start function, remote start function. This is on to disconnected power. This is terminate. This is on one. This is ACC. This is start. Okay, start. This LED bubble for start. The LED bubble ACC is on one. Is on two. Is terminate. Okay. If starting function is on two, on one, ACC will be on, and this started LED bulb will be off and on. Okay. Let me try. This is the button. Okay. Start. Yes. Off. Yes. On two. On one ACC. Yes. Successful started. Press again. Stop engine. Yes. On two. On one ACC. Power off. Okay. This push start. This remote start. Remote start. Hold the third button. This third button. This is remote. Hold the middle button, and this hold the third button. This one. Remote start button, and this is the third button. Yes, this is also the third button. Okay. Let me try remote start. Hold this. Anyway, watching this LED bubble. Okay, hold. Yes, start. On. Hold the button. Hold this button again. Hold again. Yes, remote start. This is a remote start. Very easy to operate. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.